guys, welcome back to 4Kids Daily Adventure. And today we're going to make a picture mixer. Let's get started. You will need a piece of paper, a round lid, a chopstick or a straw, but we're going to use a chopstick, and some tape, a pair of scissors, a glue stick, and some color pencils. Cut out 2 paper circles like this. First, I'm going to trace around my cat, and then now let's cut. On the line. And then I have this line. Then I'm going to get a pair of scissors and cut. I have 2 paper circles. I'm going to draw pictures on this paper and this paper. This is how it's going to be. You're going to have one picture here and then one picture here. Let's draw. I'm going to draw a cage like this, but instead a square. I am drawing this cage. Then I'm going to put 3 lines. The one here, that. So far, we made the cage. Now, I'm going to make the kitty. I am trying to line it up with the cage. Here's my little kitty. We're going to color our now. Now I'm going to color my cage. I have colored my cat and my cage. Here's our picture of the cat. Put our chopstick on, like that. Get a piece of tape. Stick it on. If it over goes, flip it over and put it on the other side. And then get your glue, open it, and then put the glue on, close it, get your cage, and put it on. We have finished. Did you know when you spin it fast, the cat looks like it's in the cage? See? But you don't want to spin it too fast. I hope you had fun. If you like this video, please give us a big thumbs up and subscribe. See you next time at 4Kids Daily Adventure. Bye!